How to delete the deposit in Mint. First of all, open the Mint app or visit the Mint website and log into your account using your credentials. Once you are logged in, you will land on the main dashboard. Look for the Deposits tab in the left side menu and click on it. Here you will see a list of all your existing budgets. Find the budget category you want to delete. Next, click the Edit button represented by a pencil icon next to that budget. At the bottom of the editing window, you will see a Delete this budget option. Click on it. Your selected budget will now be deleted from the Mint and it will no longer track spending in that category. You can repeat these steps anytime you want to delete other budgets you no longer need. And that's it. Now you know how to delete the budget in Mint. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.